What's going on, man? Y'all see I'm back with another video. So I'm not really gonna have this video to be this long, but it's basically story time. I gotta update my residual, so my old subscribers, but also I noticed I had got like over, man, we had a thou wow, y'all. We had a thou wow subscribers, and for the people that been following me, y'all know I got a lot of making up to do as far as content wise with the car. For my new subscribers. So I think I was doing like what, y'all? I think I was doing like every 100 subscribers I do a burnout. And I think the last time I did that is when what, y'all? We reached 300 or 400 subscribers. So I got a lot, bro. I got like 600 to 700 subscriber worth of burnouts and donuts to do, y'all. So as y'all see for the title, this is a story update video, man. So I'm gonna try to give y'all a little bit on what's been going on and why I haven't been dropping. For my new subs, I'm building an 83 Z28 Camaro LS swap. Of course we're going boosted, but right now we just got it gapped. Well, we got it gapped for boost, but I also gapped it for nitrous. So we may be throwing that on first before we actually get the boosted application added on there. But for now we're gonna be running nitrous. I started that car about 2.5 years ago, almost 3 years ago. I want to say it was 3 years ago. Everything was really basically like set in stone. Then life happened before I actually started. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna say started. When I started to build, y'all, I was kind of like, I'm in a whole new era now. Like I'm basically saved. I gave my life to Christ and whatnot. And when I did that, y'all, all hell broke loose. I lost everything. For my new subs, I had a 99 Camaro and a 72 Dodge pickup truck. The 72 Dodge pickup, I was doing a 392 swap in that, so the scat pack motor. I had a whole lot of ideas, and for my 99 Camaro, I was finna turbocharge that. Then I end up finding another 4th gen, and I was gonna turbo and supercharge that and keep that Camaro, the 99. I was gonna keep that stock. It just came, man. It was a whole lot of stuff I had planned, y'all. But life had came around after I gave my life to Christ. And like basically all hell broke loose. Like everything with the falling. The 99 Camaro ended up wrecking. I end up having to sell the truck, but me and the dude is still in contact. So I told him if he ever sell the truck, I'm first call, I'm first dibs on that truck. But I don't think he ever selling that truck. He loved the truck, and I'm glad that I was able to sell it to somebody who kind of like have a vision and love cars as much as I do. So that's a good thing. So yeah, man. And I had got to a point, y'all, where I thought God wanted me to sell my Camaro, the Z28. So I was up and down with that, man. I almost lost the car like 4 times, y'all. And like by the grace of God, bro, I was able to get the car back. Y'all just don't know. Like I had it in storage. The payments was just going up, y'all. When I tell y'all, God made a way for me to get that car back. Then I end up being in a whole nother situation where I was finna bring it to where I was living at the time. Some things had happened, and I thought I was finna lose the car again. So I had one of my partners to tow it to a whole nother location, man. Y'all, bruh. When I tell y'all the grace of God has been over my life with this car and with everything, man. Like I'm in a whole nother headspace. Like I'm a whole different person for my subscribers that already been following me. Now, is the build still going on? Yes, it's definitely still going on. I had to really get story time because one of my subscribers was like, man, you need to drop a video or something, you know what I'm saying? So my boy, this is your video for you, because you what's the word, you request the video. But with all that being said, I actually made the video too to tell y'all about this other Z28 I was about to buy. It's a 94 Z28 Camaro. So it was a 4th gen Camaro, thing burgundy. I'm gonna drop some clips after I say all this, I'm gonna drop some clips. I already had started on it. I actually had started breaking the motor down. I took the motor out the car. Like I was finna buy the car. Dude only wanted like $2,500, but then the price jumped up. He wanted $3,000, and I was like, you know what? No, it was actually $2,800. So at the time, with the money I was making working at the shop, bro, it's a long story, but I'm gonna try to minimize how long it is, because y'all don't even sit all the way through. So the long story short, I was working for the guy, had a nice Camaro, spun a rod bearing, and it was just knocking. One really stay crunk for real. I broke the motor down. I'm gonna show y'all some clips of me. Man, I made like 3 videos on this car thinking that I'm finna buy this car, and I end up getting fired. That's crazy. So I had to delete all the content that I made on the video, but I still have certain clips of me breaking it down and everything, me taking the motor out. Yeah, dang near all the rod bearings was spun, so it was horrible. But beautiful burgundy Camaro, end up not getting that. Man, that hurt my soul, y'all. It hurt my soul. Then like as time went on, man, I was like praying about it and stuff, and I was like, bro, I need a car. Went back and forth between me buying a car and me finishing the Camaro. Then long behold, y'all, I can't say nothing. Well, I can say something, but I promised myself, and just in general, me praying to God and talking to God, I'm like, bro, I'm gonna do it this way. I ain't gonna speak on a lot of things. So yeah, but I have a huge, for all of my day one followers, bro, I have a huge surprise for y'all. It's been a long time coming, bro. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. So 9 times out of 10, I'm dropping this video today. Yeah, man, so that's basically like the update. The car is being built. It will be finished. And like I said, I have a huge surprise. Like, and it's not one of these monthly surprises like, oh, gotta wait a month. Like, the surprise is gonna be like really this weekend for me, but when y'all see it, it's probably gonna be, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, man, so the car is being built. I had to change up certain things because I was going manual, but it's so hard to come by a T5 that's reasonable. Like, these people are selling T5s, y'all, dang near $1,000, bro. It is 2025, bro. They selling a 82 through a freaking 92 T5. I do 500, that's still cheap, but they selling it all the way to 900, 1,000, 1,100. I'm like, bro, this is stupid. I'm not finna, that's crazy. Then like the ones that sell it reasonable, man, them things are decent. Like, they $200, $300. I couldn't catch them. So I'm gonna temporarily do an automatic transmission that kind of like help me build it faster, if that makes sense, because it's so hard to come by a T5, and the T5 actually made the LS build a lot more expensive, and not because the trans it's that's part of it, but the stuff I have to buy, like the clutch kit and all the other stuff, because I'm converting from a rod, what they call it, basically, like, it's not a hydraulic clutch, it got like a rod, so I have to convert from that to the 4th gen. Man, it's a whole lot of stuff. Like, for the people that's gonna be doing this build, after I'm done with it, I'm gonna do like a whole video of my list of what I had to do. I actually started this car from complete scratch. Like, for my day ones, y'all seen the videos, man. I ain't have nothing in it. Then the car was sitting up, like, I ain't have no T-top, I ain't have nothing. So for my day ones, y'all seen where it came from. For the people that just subscribed, I got a whole Z28 playlist when I first got the car all the way up until now, basically. I wouldn't recommend that way. Try to get a car that just don't got no motor and trans, y'all will save a lot of money. I had to buy miscellaneous stuff, y'all. I'm talking about like the what I bought that was miscellaneous, bro. Really, the T-tops, 70, I think bro charged me, was it? Man, I think he shot me a deal. I think he was finna charge me $75 a piece for that bad boy, if I ain't mistaken. Like, I don't want to be lying on bro, but if I remember correctly, it was gonna be $75 per top. But I think he shot me a deal, and I got the T-tops for $75. Y'all, I had to buy not only the engine harness, it's a whole nother harness that's inside the car that go to the trunk for the rear lights. Bought that, it was completely different, so I have to, bypass that part. At least get a car that got all the wires in it and the carpet. Y'all, the miscellaneous stuff is crazy. We talking about locks, Of course, the ignition cylinder, I wasn't tripping on that. What else I had to buy that was miscellaneous? Man, I had to get bolts for the dash. I had to get bolts for that stuff adds up. The little stuff adds up, y'all. The little stuff adds up, y'all, and it just is, bro. It's ridiculous. I ain't gonna hold you. So, if anybody building a car, period, if it's gonna be a street car, y'all gonna be driving it and drifting, and y'all want to be comfortable, get a car that got everything in it, probably even the interior, cause the seats was high. Well, I found some cheap seats for the cheap, and I had to paint them, which is still I kind of spent the same amount of money on the seats if they was already black, bro. It just, but yeah, man, she basically done. Just to give y'all a nugget, I got everything. Thank you. I got everything to complete the motor, y'all. So motor is done. I ain't never think in a million years I was ever gonna be able to say that the motor is complete. Oh my god, dude. I can't disclose the other information. So we're gonna have to y'all got to bear with me. But yeah, man, that's really about it for the story time. Just had to keep y'all updated because my boy basically requested a video. He probably ain't want a video like this, but I got to make it like this because the stuff that's coming after this, y'all gonna be like, especially my day ones. Like, I don't know why my other subscribers follow me, because they follow me from short. So I don't know if they even like know what I'm actually doing. But for my new subs, hey, we finna have the content rolling in for my old subs, for my day ones. Y'all tune in, because after this video, boy, it's up from here. You feel me? So I really want to thank y'all for bearing with me. What's so crazy, y'all, I think like the whole time I've been doing this YouTube from my current racing page, I actually only had like 2 people to unsubscribe. 2 people out of all 1,000 and all the 3 years I've been doing it. Only 2 people unsubscribe. So that means technically, like, my day ones that know what's going on, man, I really appreciate y'all for being patient. Like, God has been working on me behind closed doors, y'all. I guess, I don't know, man. I'm just grateful. I'm grateful I'm able to even finish the car, because I shedded some tears. Bro, y'all, like the nights I cried, because I in my head I'm like, man, I at least, if I gotta give it away, if I gotta sell it, I at least want to finish the car. Like, I hate with a passion to start something and cannot finish. I hate that. Then I had, man, y'all, I ain't put no blood, did I? Yeah, I finna say blood. What it is? Shed blood. Oh, blood, sweat, and tears. I can't even get it out. Sweat, definitely. Blood, yeah, I got cut up a lot of times. Tears, I shedded that after I was completed. After it was completed, as far as like the interior and the paint. So yeah, it was blood, sweat, and tears. So y'all, I appreciate y'all for even being patient. I appreciate y'all for looking out, and I think a lot of y'all follow me on Instagram too. So if y'all don't, I'm gonna drop my Instagram. I don't know what side I'm gonna drop it on, but I'm gonna drop my Instagram, and I'm gonna also put it in my bio. Well, description. It's in the bio too. So yeah, man, I really appreciate y'all not unsubscribing, basically, and just being patient. And for the people that's on the Instagram, or why the reason I brought that up, because a lot of y'all actually hit me up on the ground, checking on me, and when I'm get back on the car, am I still doing the car, man? So I appreciate the support. This year, y'all, it's straight up, bro. This year, bro, I got a lot under my sleeves, and it's already set in stone. So y'all tune in, and I got to thank my new subscribers, because we all the way up to 1,000. So it's a lot of people I don't even know, like, you feel me, that subscribe, because I ain't been dropping videos for y'all to comment on it. So I appreciate all y'all. This year we got to go up. So this year y'all got to be sharing my videos, man. Y'all got to tell a friend, tell a member, you know. Of course, I'm going to have it PG-13, because I don't even use profanity no more. So y'all will be able to watch it with the fam bam. You feel me? Like, I'm a whole nother creation in Christ now, my boys. You feel me? So with that being said, man, even for the people that's not subscribed and y'all watching, I appreciate y'all too, because y'all helping the algorithm go up. But go on and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified. You feel me? So yeah, I appreciate all y'all. Stay tuned. All 1050, I think, what, 54, 59, 1050. All y'all got to turn on the bell, bro, because these videos gonna be coming out like this. Like I'm gonna be clockworking them. You feel me? So until next time, y'all be blessed. If y'all got any questions, y'all can hit me up on the gram. Y'all can hit me up in my comments. A lot of times I don't see all y'all comments, but when I do, I'll comment back. Yeah, hit that like button. We out here. Yes, sir.